Guys, so I'm jumping on because I've had so many people call me and text me and ask me questions about everything that's been going on in the news about this NAR settlement and commission sharing and buyer's agency and everything else. So if you're in this industry, you may have crossed paths with me in the past. You may have been upset with me in the past because for as long as I can remember, for the last 7 or 8 years, my agency has been offering $1 commission to buyer's agents. And so ask me how many times I've paid that dollar commission. All right, just do you dare? Because honestly, I've also taught buyer's agents that work with me and that don't work with me how to ask for their commission, how to show their worth. So nothing's changed really. I mean, I started Real Estate Renegades last year to talk about this because I knew what was coming down the pike. I knew that there was going to be a whirlwind of conflicting information. There will be a lot of people trying to capitalize this, that fear mongering, which, look, I'm not about that. But what I am about is if you are genuinely an agent that has real concerns, that is open to learning and coachable and teachable, then I'm asking you and giving you the okay to reach out to me. If you want to come and attack me as you have done in the past and want to come to me with a sense of entitlement, listen, we're not a match. I think one of the things that has done this industry in is that sense of entitlement from people who think that they got their license 2 weeks ago and they should earn the same commission that me, who've been doing this for 18 years, should get. That's part of the reason we're in the situation we're in, guys. So you want to come at me that way with shade, I'm going to block you and delete you. And you're doing that to yourself, not to me. Okay. So but what I'm saying to you is I've built a brokerage and I'm building a legacy that I wanted to stand the test of time. And I did not want to be someone that was going to have to answer to these commission lawsuits because I knew a lot of people would. And I saw this morning, one of the biggest brokerages across our nation is employing someone to tell their agents at the listing table, hey, we're going to talk to you about why you have to pay a buyer's agent. I kind of think that's what got us here in the first place. I think sticking your head in the sand further is a disaster to your career, to your business, to the people that are trusting you to really enlighten them. And so I'm here to say, I'm open to discussions. I'm open to help teach. I'm open to those that have open minds and that are teachable and coachable. If you are closed-minded and judgmental and nasty, stay away, or I will push you away. I have no time for that. We're here doing great things for our clients every day. And I'm here trying to elevate our profession every day. If you want to be a part of that, reach out. Now, it's Tequila Friday, so I need to go prep for something else, a little more fun. Make it a great day.